Hey there, and happy December. This year we launched more than 200 releases, so we figured it was a great time to look back on some of our favorites. Believe it or not, we want employees to spend less time on Ramp and more time doing their jobs. That's why we launched 45 improvements to the employee experience.
Really, our North Star vision for employees is that you swipe your Ramp card and you're done. Like there shouldn't be a spend management part of your role as an employee.
So what does that look like? You swipe your card, we send you a text. You snap a picture of your receipt, we suggest a memo and automatically code it. You connect Google Calendar, we provide the context. You need expenses approved, we made it 30% faster. Next up, we launched an entire travel platform in Ramp.
We launched Ramp Travel this summer of this year.
It makes a lot of sense for Ramp. Travel is at the center of corporate expenses. Thing is within one platform, which is pretty amazing.
As an admin, your travel policies are built directly into the platform employees use to book trips. And as an employee, you don't even have to remember those policies. From per diems to cabin classes, Ramp prevents costly mistakes before you book and automatically takes care of your expenses while you travel. The result? Better business travel that saves you time and your company money.
We've evolved the travel admin dashboard so that it now showcases all of the on-platform bookings. We've released travel requests and approvals, which we haven't had before. We also now have more controls within the travel policy.
Just gonna keep getting better and better.
Procurement doesn't have to be a headache. This year we built the next generation of intake to pay with the launch of Ramp Procurement.
Ramp's approach was like, how can we build something super simple and delightful, but still give you the utmost control?
It starts with leveraging Ramp's AI to make an intake process take seconds, to provide real-time pricing insights on software renewals, and to provide the highest form of control over invoices with a fully automated three-way matching. And that adds up to an intake to pay that's completed 8.5 times faster in Ramp.
We launched our initial product at the end of January, and since then we've shipped numerous improvements to the product.
This was the most significant year for bill pay since launch. We made more than 20 updates that spanned every area of the product, from automation enhancements to design improvements.
And I think the theme was enabling Ramp to be easy to use and simple for even bigger customers.
We shipped W-9 collection, batch payments, payment step approvals, recurring bills, importing bills into Ramp, and vendor controls. So we also shipped a bunch of smaller enhancements, like automatically moving users onto the next bill after they approve it.
With these updates, more than 60% of bills on bill pay are created without entering a single keystroke. And yes, that's a real stat.
We've come a long way, but there's still so much more that we can do.
Answering a simple question about spend shouldn't take all day, so now it doesn't.
Reporting is really the one source in Ramp where you can visualize a consolidated view of all your Ramp activity, whether it's spend or whether it's bottlenecks or if it's any other specific information that you want to find.
Being able to have a question and have so much access to data at your fingertips within Ramp is something that's really cool. People can do all their financial analysis on Ramp, no matter what level you're at.
And finally, the App Center.
The App Center is a new feature that we've released into Ramp where customers can discover all of the fantastic integrations that we offer with other software.
People are coming to the table with completely different ways to leverage Ramp, leverage our APIs in ways that we didn't imagine before.
So that's a wrap for this year. We've got an even bigger year of releases coming in 2025. But let us know what features you want to see in the comments below. See you next year.